Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're taking a look at a safety vest with 9 different pockets and high visibility reflective material. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're taking a look at a safety vest from the company SESafety. And this safety vest has 9 different pockets you can actually utilize. And this is actually a high visibility reflective vest. And what that means is there's a lot of reflective points. So if someone shines a light at you, they will see you. And you may be wondering why you would want a safety vest. Well, there's a lot of practical reasons, especially if you work in construction or more high-end and dangerous jobs. Having a safety vest is also very important. If you walk your dog at night, or if you do any walking, jogging, cycling at night, you can make use of a safety vest. And this safety vest did surpass the ANSI/ISEA certification, safety certification. So this is a very useful product. As always, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the video description, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this product. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So let's proceed with unboxing this safety vest. So what I'm going to do is put this onto a second camera angle. And what I like about the safety vest is they put it in a nice plastic bag. And it's really easy to actually open it up and get the safety vest out. And they nicely folded up the safety vest too, as you can see. And we just basically have to kind of unravel it. And the size I got with my safety vest is a large. They have multiple different sizes you can actually go for, but this is how the large looks like. And you can see the color that we picked is yellow, but they have a large list of different colors you can actually pick with this safety vest. So, if you want, like, for instance, they got blue, they got green, they got pink, they got gray. There's a lot of different colors you can go for. And with this being yellow, this is like the basic traditional color that most people have when they're utilizing a safety vest. And you can see all the different pockets we have. Like right here we have 2 main pockets right here. You can easily put like your phone, your devices, pens, notebook paper, just anything that you want to have handy on the job with you. We also have these straps up here. You can put, pens onto and different things that have clips. This one even has a clear pocket. So you can put like your name tag, your badge, or whatever, different accessories. And there's actually another pocket behind that pocket that you can utilize with this safety vest. We also have this nice little clip on right here. You could put your keys. You could put anything that you can clip onto this ring right here if you want to. And at the very bottom, we have 2 massive pockets. This could be utilized for your phones, wallets, and both of these pockets are able to actually open up. There is a breathable hole right here at the bottom. Same thing with this one. It's the exact same. It's identical to that pocket as well. And yeah, overall, there's just so many different, functionalities, I should say, with this safety vest. On the back side, you have all the reflective strips all over the safety vest to really make you stand out, especially if you utilize this safety vest late at night. And there's actually no blind spots with this safety vest. So basically what that means is the reflective strip covers all around you. So basically from any angle, people will be able to see you. And there's a zipper here in the middle. All you gotta do is unzip. There we go. Take it off, and now you can easily, put this on me or put this on whoever's utilizing the safety vest. So overall, I do love the different accessibility points that they implemented within this safety vest. But right now, we're gonna proceed outside and actually test out some of the different features that this safety vest has. Okay, so we're currently outside and we're going to be testing out this SESafety safety vest. And I actually have two studio lights on each side of me right now. And you can actually see that these lights are actually doing a really good job of actually reflecting. So think of it as like headlights in the nighttime. You know, if there were any lights facing me right now, I would be more visible to anybody who is actually noticing me. And let me do a quick little 360 so you guys can have a better view of how the safety vest looks. And you can see with these safety vests, there's actually 360-degree reflection points. So basically from any angle, people are able to actually see me and notice me right away. And we have a lot of different pockets. So in our top right corner right here, you can actually see we have a name tag badge, and there's actually a second pocket within that pocket. So you can put stuff inside. And then on this side, same thing, we got two pockets. So one of them is a smaller pocket, and then we have one bigger pocket in the back of that pocket. And then we have our nice little D-ring, so you can actually, you know, mount things and clip things onto this ring, such as keys. Up here, you can actually see we have two nice little clips over here, and this could be utilized for walkie-talkies or anything with a clip. And then down here, we have two massive pockets, and these pockets would be perfect for anything bulky, you know, like your phone, your wallet, and any other device, you know, maybe even notepads if you have any of that. And you can see it's not too bad. And they also included this nice little circle pocket here, so you can actually have cables running through this vest if you ever needed to. But overall, I really do like the functionality of this vest. There's a lot of different points and a lot of different access points. There's a lot of different things you can actually utilize with this vest. And obviously, if I wanted to, I can unzip it, take it off, and we're good to go, you know. So overall, it's a very comfortable vest and it looks really, really pleasant. So let's do a quick demonstration of this SESafety vest in front of some car headlights. So you can see right now the car is facing me and shining at this vest. And I know you guys can't really see my face, you know, just with how my lights are positioned, but you can see as I turn around 360 degrees, this safety vest is being reflected off of, you know, my headlights. So now I'm gonna step backwards in front of the camera, and then I'm gonna jog in front of the camera so that you guys can see the reflectiveness of this safety vest. So let's jog up to the camera. And you can see, you know, with me jogging, you can see all the different reflective points, the different reflective strips light up. And I can turn around. And do the same thing walking towards the camera again. You can see how practical this safety vest really is. So basically, if I was outside in the nighttime just like I am right now, people would be able to actually see me. And additionally, this safety vest has 9 different various pockets for various different functionalities and different capabilities. So you can use this to put basically anything and have all your tools ready for any scenario. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move on to the final opinions and remarks and end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this SESafety safety vest? Well, you can see I have it on, and this safety vest is really, really practical. With my demonstration, you guys were able to see how effective this safety vest really is. There's a lot of practical uses. It's not just construction workers that can benefit from a safety vest. You know, normal people like me and you, we can utilize a safety vest just to make ourselves more visible at nighttime, or just more safe. You know, when people can actually visibly see you, you know, the chances of you being run over by or getting caught up in something goes down. You know, when I have all this all over me, you know, people can actually see me late at night. So there's a lot of practical uses for a safety vest, like I mentioned earlier in this video. And overall, the fit was really nice as well. But we are going to conclude the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of safety vest. Also, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the video's description, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this safety vest. Thank you all for tuning in to this comprehensive review. I had a blast making this video, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.